With iRobotCAM, you can easily build a mechatronic model for a robot loading and unloading product line. You can also create programs for robots and control sequences, as well as simulate track axis computations, CNC door opening, closing signals, tool changes, and pick-and-place processes. iRobotCAM even enables virtual commissioning by connecting mechatronic device models to external controllers like robot controllers and PLCs. This iRobotCAM simulation showcases a robot loading and unloading product line in action. Observe how a KUKA robot, track axis, 5-axis CNC, 4-axis CNC, tool change mechanism, and post-processor machine collaborate seamlessly to handle a product manufactured by the line.